Friends, my name is Rodeo Rider. Today I am going to show you how to install LED lights on your cycle. This is my Rodeo. The full form is Hercules Rodeo Geolander. Let's start. See, this is the continuous strip I have put it on my cycle. Only things you need is battery, that is for 20 rupees, one switch, I think one switch, this is for 1 rupee, one battery clip, this is for 4 rupees, and an LED strip. I bought it for 190. I bought it 5 meters LED strip. If you want to put it on many places, you need also and shoulder. You will cut from these scissor points. These are made to tell where we have to cut. If you will cut from here or somewhere else, your LED will not be. Your LED will not. I think 1 or 2 LEDs will not light up. Let me turn on the lights. Now there is a switch I'm going to on. See, these lights are on. We cannot see them bright because of my camera's flashlight, but they are pretty bright. Let's see it from distance. It looks pretty nice. So guys, this video was about the LED lights. In next video, I will tell you how to make these stickers. I have made it from one sellotape and paper. Bye bye. See you in the next video.